Hello everyone, it's 20th March. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Indian Express newspaper. In the first page, we have Iran strikes Gulf energy facilities, shockwaves hit global economy. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have designed to seize control of Bengal. Mamta hits out at EC. BJP overspate of transfers. Again, very important for polity and governance perspective. Going forward, we have the rescue could have been attempted. There was enough time, says High Court. Again, very important. Then we have questions raised over preparedness of firefighters after 9 of family die in Palam blaze. Lapses will be punished, says government. Again, very important. Moving forward, we have to give relief to exporters, government floats rupees 497 crore scheme. Again, very important. Then we have Prime Minister talks to West Asia leaders, snap strikes on energy hubs. Then we have India to extend Myanmar Pulse deal for 5 years to secure supply amid global supply chains shock. Then we have punishments up to life term. Chhattisgarh passes new freedom of religion bill. Again, very important for polity and governance perspective. Then we have Disturbed Areas Act. Gujarat government proposes amendments. Again, very important for polity and governance perspective. Then we have Ras Laffan attack deepens India's worries over LNG. Again, very important. Then we have why Punjab CM wants Rajasthan to pay for water used since 1960. Very important for policy and governance perspective. Then we have the editorial page where we have motions against Speaker. CEC point to a wider trust. That is the real worry. Then we have in the name of protection, walking back on hard-won rights. Then we have the world page where we have Qatar Energy, Iran attack wipes out 17% of LNG exports capacity for 5 years. Tokyo really stepping up to plate on Iran, says Trump. Then we have Pakistan, Taliban announces 3-day ceasefire. Then we have US-Israel war aims in Iran, not same. Spy chief Gabbard. Then we have prices surge, shops shut. War hit Tehran, Grand Bazaar. Then we have World Happiness Report, flag social media's negative impact, Finland happiest. Then we have the economy page. Then we have panic bookings of LPG cylinders, EBB, ease to nearly pre-war levels. Then we have AI data centers and EVs may push peak power demand by 30 gigawatt. Then we have how market turbulence is hitting IPO plans and why PhonePe has hit pause. Lastly, we have why phasing out Anthropic may not be easy for Pentagon. All these things are very important for economic perspective. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.